The headlight covers that we have here today will be a great option for the 2015 annual Challenger owners who might be looking to go with a relatively affordable means of smoking those headlights, but one that will be easy to take both on and off at a moment's notice. Now, these covers are going to feature that durable polycarbonate build in that super dark tint, also right around the $100 price point. Install really couldn't be any easier here, guys. No tape needed, nothing like that. So figure a soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and no more than a few minutes to get in place from start to finish. So I feel like the covers that we have on the table today are going to appeal to the 3rd gen Challenger owners who love that dark smoke appearance, but don't necessarily want to switch out to a completely different set of headlights or maybe commit to a more semi-permanent vinyl tinting method. Instead, the smoke covers that we have here are going to live somewhere in the middle in regards to delivering that dark look of maybe a smoke tint kit, but unlike vinyl, can easily be removed in a pinch if needed, whether leaving a car show or maybe you're just looking to mix up the appearance a bit. Now, the covers themselves do feature a lightweight build consisting of that durable polycarbonate material before being finished off in that really dark smoke appearance here that will help contribute to a more aggressive look. Now, one thing to keep in mind here, guys, is that something like this, obviously being a little bit more dark, is going to cut down on your total light output at night. So it is something just to keep in mind in that regard. But before we get into the install here, guys, I do want to strongly encourage you to check out the numerous customer submitted images back on the site to get a better idea of what these guys might look like when installed, but also to see just how well they do fit. I know a lot of people oftentimes have questions about something like this, especially something like this that's going to essentially snap into place. Well, all of those questions will be answered by fellow Challenger owners back on the site. Check out those reviews. And again, we got a bunch of customer submitted images of these things installed, so you can really get a better sense of how they might look on your ride at home. But now let's segue into that install. And again, this one's gonna be extremely easy here, guys. No tools, no tape needed. Instead, they will just snap into place. So because of that, figure a very soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, maybe 10 minutes or so of your time to complete from start to finish. But without further ado, check out our detailed walkthrough right now.
Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm going to be showing you how to install your smoked headlight covers. Let's get started. The first step, we're going to install the inside headlight lens covers, and they're going to be the smaller of the pack, and we're going to do that right now. And same thing on the other side. All right, so for the outside headlights, you're gonna have 2 covers. They only go on one way, so if it seems like it's not fitting correctly, it's probably the wrong side. Again, these are not labeled, unfortunately, but like I said, they only go on one way. We're gonna start with the left side of the vehicle, and you're just gonna line it up and push. And same thing with the other side. All right, so the last thing you want to do once your headlight covers are installed is to go back around and just make sure that they're all installed correctly, so that way they don't fall off while you're driving on the road. All right, guys, so that's going to wrap up today's review and install of the smoked headlight covers fitting your 15 to current Challenger models. And remember, for all things Challenger, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.